Hello my gorgeous friends, thanks again for watching. This is a new video about how I do a plop on my curly hair, either right before I go to sleep or I had just gotten out of the shower and I have a couple hours to spare. And let's dive in. So I'm going to start with my hair super soaked, and of course it's not going to be dripping wet. What I'm using first is a product called Not Your Mother's Curly Cream, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I actually just saw it at the grocery store a couple days ago and I thought it looked really good, and lo and behold, it is actually really good. It smells amazing and I feel like super cool with my super bouncy fluffy hair after I put this in. So if you're contemplating about a curling cream or a curling styling cream, this is actually a really good try. How I distribute this product in my hair is I basically do sections. So I'm just evenly distributing it all throughout my hair, in the front, in the back, on the sides, etc. And then after I distribute the curling cream, I want to put a gel product, a water-based gel product. Here I'm using Aussie Instant Freeze curling gel. And so again, I evenly distribute this product as well into sections of my hair. That way it's evenly in there, and then afterwards I'm going to use a brush to distribute it even more. And of course it depends on person to person on how much product you want to use, but honestly, just like go ham on the products. Like especially if the products are fairly affordable, I put a lot of product in my hair just to make sure that I have enough in there. Girl, you know how we curlies do, am I right? So here I'm using the wet brush. This is actually my holy grail brush that I love using. It's actually really comfortable. It doesn't tug on my hair, and it, defines my curls really nicely. So I'm brushing that all over. And then I figured out how to curl train my hair. Like when I really want super defined, bouncy curls, I do this thing where I put the hair in between my palm and then the brush, and I brush it down and outward. After I'm done brushing, I'm gonna grab this little head scarf that I have. This is actually an infinity scarf that I have that I don't really wear anymore, but it's pretty good at absorbing moisture from my hair because I've already used this. It's really, really handy when it comes to plopping my hair. So before I do this, I'm going to flip my hair upside down and try to have all the curls from the front and the back down so that I can do this. So I'm placing my hair from the ends down onto the scarf that I have. And then I'm going to roll the front like a little crescent roll. And then tie it in the back, like so. And then that's basically it. So I sleep with this in at night. I know I look like an alien, but this actually really works. And here I'll show you pictures what my hair looks like the morning after. Okay guys, that's all I've got for now. Let me know down in the comments if you do anything differently. I've got to run, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys!